to cut the liner, lipstick, proper lipstick, liner. Okay, this is very important. This and this. Okay, for the foundation application, concealer application, this is very important. To make it a liner, you want to make it liner or the lipstick, proper lipstick, or else eyebrows. This is very important. This we call it as a square brush. You can call it as a small flat brush also, angled brush. Okay, so again, this is also flat brush. You can use it for concealer application. You can use it for the foundation application also. Okay, this is also very important. Next one. So first I'm gonna start from the base. So after CTM we have to use a corrector. So now I'll show you what is a corrector, how to use a corrector, what is the concealer, okay, what is the foundation. So first step is the corrector. So corrector we're gonna use for this, from this kind of brush. Okay, you can see now orange. So it will be easy. Under eye पे ज़्यादा लगाना है ना corrector क्योंकि for everybody there will be a dark circle. So this will be very sensitive. ऐसे करना है, ऐसे नहीं करना है. Okay, you have to hold the brushes here, not ear or ear. Okay, ऐसे ऐसे नहीं पकड़ना है. You have to go like this. Less pressure with good blending. ज़्यादा pressure नहीं लगाना है like face पे. Okay, so next this is the concealer brush. Corrector होने के बाद you'll get a concealer. So this is the concealer brush. With the help of this brush only you can apply the concealer. But the thing is, concealer you shouldn't blend like this. You have to dab it like this. Concealer ಯಾಕೆ use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Why we use the concealer? To hide the pigmentation, to hide the issues on your skin. So that's why you shouldn't grab it like this. You have to dab it like this.
मैम करेक्टर पिगमेंट टाइप करना था.
ಇದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. But the main thing is a concealer. Okay now. So next we'll go for the foundation brush. So you can see now a similar brush. Okay, this you can use it as a foundation brush. Okay, you can blend it like this. Foundation you can blend it like this. Okay, but a concealer should be blended like this only. Okay, and this is for liquid foundation. You can use it for cream foundation also. It's not a matter. Same brush. Okay, in HD base you will get to know how to use the liquid foundation. Okay, now I'm going to show normal base, which is kind of matte base. Okay, so for the foundation I'm going to use this brush. Okay, foundation होने के बाद we'll get a highlighting. For the highlighter also you can use this brush. For highlighter we will use concealer only. Okay, I'll give the demo. Don't get confused. Just I'm explaining about the brushes. These are we are using these kind of brushes for the cream products. Okay, this is also contour brush, cream contour brush. So you can see ना flat है, इसलिए cream contour brush होता है. Okay, this we call it as a cream contour brush. And this is a shimmer application. You can use it like a shimmer application, and even you can use it like a glitter application, glitter glue application. Even you can use it for a corrector application also. So if you don't have this kind of brush in your vanity, then you can go for this. Next. So if someone having issue with this, थोड़ा like practice होने के बाद थोड़ा सा चिपका है, तो क्या करना है? You can use this like a alternate. Okay, अंडर आई पे अच्छे से लाइन दिख रहा है तो you can dab it, अच्छे से dab कर लो, लाइन वगैरह हो जाता है. Okay, अप्लाई करना. So कण ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾದರೂ crease lines ಆ ಥರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ just ಇದರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಣ್ಣಿದ್ದಾರೆ, if someone having small tiny eyes, then you can go with this brush. This is shimmer application brush. I will tell you what is the shimmer, what is the matte color, and what is the glitter color. So I'll let you know. Now you don't need to worry about this. I'll show you. This is for eyebrow. This is spoolie and this is eyebrow brush. Angled eyebrow brush. Always eyebrow brush should be like this only, not like square. Okay, अच्छे से shape आता है. Angled होने तो अच्छे से shape आता है. If it is a normal square ना, अच्छे से shape नहीं आता है. So that's why eyebrow brush will be angled like this only. Okay, so eyebrow brush you can use from powder also, or else you can use it from cream also. Cream eyebrow palette you get it, na? So you can use it from. And this is the spoolie to comb the eyebrows. Okay. This is a lipstick brush. You can see this is also kind of angled. To get more sharper lips, that's why they will give it angled shape brush. And this is a liner brush. Okay, this is also kind of flat only. A liquid liner, or else you can use it for a gel liner also. Okay. And this is a highlighting brush. Hi. This is the highlighting brush. I will show you what is the use of this. Height को highlighting करना है, इधर से highlighting करना है, so you can use it even if when you are doing the smoky eyes. Smoky eyes के लिए इधर we use a black shadow. You can use like a black shadow, or else you can use a gel liner also. So for that, that is a liquid product, na? So you can use a gel liner also with this, just to blend. And this is the powder brush. This is also powder brush. पूरा फेस के लिए, ये अंडर आई के लिए. Okay. And this is a contour brush. You can see the difference ना, थोड़ा सा angled है. Okay. So contour, to get a proper shape, we use this kind of contour brush. Okay, I'll show you what is contour. When I give the demo na, easily you can understand more. And this is also like dust it off. Makeup होने के बाद थोड़ा सा hair वगैरह आता है ना, थोड़ा सा hair मिलता है, और any kind of dust, powder ज़्यादा है तो dust off करने के लिए. Okay. This we call it as a fan brush. Okay. Last step, makeup के लिए last step होता है highlighting. So you can do that by using this to brush. You can use this as a body contour or body highlighting also. Body contour में ये use करना है, and body highlighting के लिए ये करना है. Okay, most of the models, if you're working with the models ना, they will tell you to highlight the bones also, collar bones. So ये use करना है. And all these are shadow brushes. ओके, सेम है ना, थोड़ा सेम है. तो आई ब्लेंडिंग के लिए, ओके, साइड ब्लेंडिंग के लिए, इनर कॉर्नर ब्लेंडिंग के लिए, ओके, ऊपर ब्लेंडिंग के लिए, ये सब हाई ब्रशेस होता है हाईलाइटिंग के लिए. ओके, व्हेन आई एम गिविंग देम यू कैन जस्ट ऑब्जर्व व्हाट ब्रशेस शी इज यूजिंग. ओके. And this also kind of alternate brush. Okay, for example, एक चिपरा है तो if it is poking, okay, so you can use it like a under eye blending. Even corrector also you can use it from there. Even a concealer also. And this is a blush. Blush you can use it from this also, even this also. Blush.
लिक्विड ब्रश के लिए कौन सा यूज़ करना है? सेम.
Most probably for the brides we don't use the liquid blush. We go for the powder blush. Okay, that's why we'll go with the fluffy brush. If you want, you can use this only, no issues. And this we call it as a stippling brush. Okay, multi-purpose brush. Okay, so what is the difference? इसमें natural animal hair है. ओके, यू कैन सी, बट इसमें प्लास्टिक भी है. ओके, सेम ब्रांड का. सो इवेल्ला नಮಗೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಹೇರ್ ಇದೆ, इसमें एनिमल हेयर है, बट यू कैन सी प्लास्टिक है इधर. ओके, इनसाइड नेचुरल एनिमल हेयर है. ओके, दो ब्रशेस लाइक दो काइंड ऑफ ब्रशेस इसमें है, दो काइंड ऑफ ब्रूसेस इसमें है. ओके, so this you can use for the moisturizer application. Even you can use it for a blush application, liquid foundation application. Even you can use it for a dust it off. Okay, आपको प्रोडक्ट थोड़ा सा डस्ट करना है, कुछ तो है लाइक इफ इट इज sticky or else if it is some hair is there, मेकअप होने के बाद डस्ट करना है, डस्ट ऑफ करने के लिए यूज कर लो. मल्टीपर्पज ब्रश, इसमें प्लास्टिक भी है, बाहर देखो, एंड अंदर यू हैव अ एनिमल हेयर ऑल्सो. So that's why we can use for moisturizer application, liquid foundation application, blush application, and even to dust it off also. Okay, got it?